This is the start of a journey of a photographer who has a lot of experience, who has a lot of knowledge. His content right now is just concert clips, and I will turn him into an online coach teaching concert photography, and this will allow him to take on less concerts to photograph and make more money. So it becomes like an enjoyable process, and this is what I will document right here, and this is the first step. We had the first call. I told him 2 steps to do. I told him to create 2 YouTube videos, and those YouTube videos will convert the viewers, and then we will need eyes on those videos. So this will be the next step.
Right now, click positive game on how you can transform this picture.
Okay, so as you can see, the Gumroad is ready to go. We have everything set up. The page itself is nothing complicated, it's just simple. We are close to publishing our first video, which is exciting. I was working on something else when I got this message that our video is being exported right now, currently, which means that tomorrow we can publish it, or even tonight we can publish it and see what happens. By the way, we have been going back and forth on the thumbnail, so that's a good sign as well. We have our first problem. YouTube, we tried to put the link into the YouTube description and upload the video, but I forgot that you have to do a verification to actually put links in the description, and we don't want to launch without the link in the description, just in case that the video gets views. We want to maximize every viewer that we have, so we will wait until it verifies everything and we can publish it finally. Okay, so everything is ready. The Gumroad is ready, the YouTube video is ready, the thumbnail is ready, all the links are ready. YouTube has verified the channel, so everything is going on. We just have to publish the first video and see what happens. So that is what is going to happen tonight. So we want the money, right? To be the lighting. Minden videón el fog mondani, viszont nem az, hogy if you want to have a career. If you check this, I see that the video is actually picking up views and it's getting suggested, and that means that we have used great search keywords, and also the video in itself is interesting to people. The YouTube will be the main driver for traffic, it seems like, and that's what we want. That's perfect. But I thought it will take a little bit more time to get started, but actually started right away. I'm back in my hometown, and we just got our first 2 leads, first 2 free downloads that we will contact, and we will see how they are and what position they are in. So I'm excited to get them and to close them as first students. So as you see, I'm editing this video and we have been working a lot behind the scenes. Actually, we have recorded another video. This is the B-roll of it, and we are editing that and getting final things for that. And when you check the other video, the first video we did, the views kind of died off. It's like a hat, as you see. It's got actually good amount of traction from YouTube itself, and then it started to get less and less and less, and now it's getting 1 views every day, let's say, and maybe it will come back, but right now we can't rely on more leads from this video. We already got like 3 downloads that we are contacting right now. Boom, we just posted our second YouTube video, which is a testimonial, so we will see what happens, but I'm very curious. So the emails that we sent, it's October 8th, by the way, but the emails that we sent, not really getting responses. So people just download it, and we can see we sent like an email like, hey, how do you like it? And we can see some people opened it, some people not, but they have not responded. So these leads are not our best leads.
But yesterday and the day before, we actually posted reels. When we posted the second YouTube video, we posted reels as well. And yesterday we posted a reel as well. And that means that we got some likes, got some comments, and got some follows. So we did what any logical person would do and contacted them. And they actually responded back. So we are talking to them. I just came back from playing tennis with actually the guy who I'm helping. We have some good news. So between the matches and before and after, we were appointment setting and we were talking to these people, and like we got some good leads. We got some people whose goals are the same that we offer in our coaching, and that what helps actually a ton. You qualifying the people and saying like, can I actually help him, or is it just taking money from him and just like giving him something crap? And no, that's not the case right now. We got some very good people whose goals align with us and with our vision. So we got them on the call. So we actually have 2 booked calls for this week. One actually booked and one will book later down the line. And that means that we have 2 calls with 14 subscribers and followers, 2 subscribers on YouTube and 12 followers on Instagram, and that's fucking fantastic. But now we have to close and actually get the money and start working with those clients.